Today, I will be showing you how to draw a good cat. Like, it won't be any other cat like what people draw, but this will be a very professional cat. Okay. First, you go on MS Paint, which is right here. This is paint. Okay. You gotta pick your color. I picked red because that's the color I love. Now you gotta pick a tool. I highly suggest using a pencil so you can erase your mistakes later. All right. Now you gotta draw the head first. It's usually oval or circle shaped. So that's that. And the ears. Now that you're done with that, you got to draw eyes. We'll color them in later. The nose and the mouth. Now, this is the most important part of drawing a cat. A good cat, not a cat, but a good cat. There's a huge difference. Okay. Now, for the left side of the cat, you gotta make it bigger than the right side, because that's where their heart is. That's where their huge heart is. I mean, it doesn't seem like they have a huge heart, but trust me, they have like trouble expressing their love and everything. So we gotta make that part big. Right. Now that you're done with that, you gotta draw the tail. Close up view. It's so nerve-wracking. Oh, okay. All right. And then focus. All right. Then you gotta draw the paws, the legs. Then you color it in. You gotta pay attention to this part. It's really important. Okay, so you pick your color, any color. Well, I chose red because it matches the outlines. And then you press this button right here. It looks like a paint bucket. And it's a paint bucket, and it says fill with color. You can't miss that. Alright, that is the most important thing. You're gonna mess up if you don't click it. Alright, you color it in. Oh, well, you can fix this really easily after coloring cat. It's a really simple. Everyone makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. It's just it's. I'll show you the next video how to fix this. Okay. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want more tutorials on how to draw cats or any kind of cat or any kind of animal or anything you want. Just request it to me. No, hey. Yeah, that's it. All right. What is the turn off button?